myself, Dr. Vijay Maknikar, Assistant Professor in Law, Sri Shivaji Law College, Parvani, and I welcome all of you in this law lecture series. Fact is one of important concept under Indian Evidence Act. The law defines it as fact means and includes anything, state of things, relation of things capable of being perceived by senses. Secondly, any mental condition of which any person is conscious. So on the basis of this, we can say that the concept of fact can be divided into two subtopics. It includes two different concepts. Number one is a physical fact, which means anything, state of things, relation of things capable of being perceived by the human senses. That is nothing but a physical fact. Secondly, it also comprises of mental fact, which means any mental condition of which any person is conscious. Now, with the help of animation, we'll see the definition once again. Let's give a glance at the slide. As we have seen, fact means and includes physical fact and psychological or mental kind of fact. Physical fact means anything, state of things, and the relation of things capable of being perceived by senses. The human beings, they are having five senses: ear, nose, the touch, the tongue, and the eyes. With the help of these five senses, a person is capable, or rather there are certain things, state of things, relations of things that are capable of being perceived by these senses, one or more senses. So under such circumstances, it can be considered as these are the physical facts. We'll take example. This slide is representing one hot coffee cup. So hotness is the state of that thing. If it is an ice, it is the coolness. If it is a decomposed body is the state of that thing. So one can perceive that particular state of thing with the help of the human senses. Therefore, that is a fact. Similarly, the another picture which is representing relations of things, wherein you can see one person is a winner and two other persons who are standing on right and left of the person who is standing at the center are the runner-ups. So the person who is standing at the center is winner in the context of, in the relation of other two persons standing by him. So one can understand that kind of relationship with the help of the senses. Therefore, that relation of thing is also considered as a fact. Now, we'll move towards second part of the definition. Friends, now we'll focus upon the second part of the definition of fact, that is psychological or mental fact. Psychological or mental fact means any mental condition of which any person is conscious. Sometimes a person may be conscious about his own mental condition. Sometimes the person, he himself, might not be aware about the mental condition, might not be conscious about own mental condition, but at the same time another person may be conscious about such person's mental condition. For example, a person who is ill, and due to illness he is not conscious, but the person who is medically examining him may be conscious about his mental condition. मित्रों, फैक्ट को हिंदी में तथ्य के नाम से जाना जाता है। उसका हिंदी अनुवाद हम समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। तथ्य से अभिप्रेत है और उसके अंतर्गत आती है नंबर 1, ऐसी कोई वस्तु, एनीथिंग, ऐसी कोई वस्तु। नंबर 2, वस्तुओं की अवस्था, स्टेट ऑफ थिंग्स। तीसरी चीज, या वस्तुओं का संबंध जो इंद्रियों द्वारा बोधगम्य हो। माने ऐसी कोई भी वस्तु, वस्तुओं की अवस्था या वस्तुओं का संबंध जो इंद्रियों द्वारा बोधगम्य हो, कैपेबल ऑफ बीइंग परसीव्ड बाय सेंसेस, इज अ फिजिकल फैक्ट। दूसरा भाग इस व्याख्या का है एनी मेंटल कंडीशन, ऐसी कोई मानसिक दशा जिसका भान किसी व्यक्ति को हो। एनी मेंटल कंडीशन ऑफ विच एनी पर्सन इज कॉन्शियस। कॉन्शियस माने भान रहना। नाउ विल सी few examples that will further explain the concept of fact and its two components, physical fact and psychological or mental fact. A man saw or heard something. Man can see with his sense of eye or can hear with the help of his ear. So whatever he has seen or heard, that is a fact. A man holds certain opinion. If the person is holding certain opinion about existence or non-existence of a God, accordingly he may be called as theist or atheist. So that is a mental condition of which he is conscious, and therefore that is the fact. Similarly, a person might be holding certain opinion about any ideology, for example Marxism, Gandhism, socialism, Phule Ambedkarism. In that context, that consciousness about his opinion is also amounts to fact. A man holds an intention. Intention is a state of mind, and if the person is conscious about his intention, that means it is a fact. A person acts in good faith, so acting in good faith is also conveying a state of mind. Sometimes a person is acting fraudulently, that also conveys a state of mind. Therefore it is certainly trying to convey a concept of fact, or that itself is a fact. A person was conscious about the particular thing, a sensation at specified time, or the feeling of illness. Feeling of illness is also a fact. With the help of senses, one can feel the illness. For example, temperature or a kind of shivering, that is the symptom of illness. If a person is happy or if the person is unhappy, that is also conveying a state of mind of such person. That is also a fact. A man has certain reputation. Man has certain reputation in the society. That is also a fact. We'll take example, state of thing, a decomposed body, rotten kind of a fruit is also a fact. Healthy body is also a fact. Weak body, fat body, all these things are nothing but amounting to the concept of fact. Rather, these things are the person is able to pursue through or by his own senses, therefore that is a fact. मित्रों, अंतिमतः हम ये कहेंगे, एनीथिंग, स्टेट ऑफ थिंग्स, relation of things which is not capable of being perceived by senses is not a fact. कोई वस्तु, वस्तुओं की अवस्था या वस्तुओं के संबंध अगर बोधगम्य नहीं है, इंद्रियों को बोधगम्य नहीं है, उसे हम तथ्य नहीं कहेंगे. अगर वो बोधगम्य है, कैपेबल ऑफ बीइंग परसीव्ड बाय सेंसेस है, तो उसे तथ्य कहा जाएगा. अगर वो बोधगम्य नहीं है तो वो तथ्य नहीं है. उसी प्रकार से एनी मेंटल कंडीशन ऑफ विच एनी पर्सन इज कॉन्शियस, ऐसी मानसिक दशा जिसके बारे में कोई भी जागरूक नहीं है, अगर जागरूक है तो वो साइकोलॉजिकल तथ्य है. अगर कोई भी जागरूक नहीं है, वो व्यक्ति स्वयं या कोई और व्यक्ति, उस प्रकार की मनोदशा को हम कहेंगे कि वो तथ्य नहीं है. धन्यवाद.